you're experiencing crashing issues with your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to help optimize its performance and reduce crashes. Step 1. Restart your console. Turn off your Nintendo Switch completely by holding the power button for a few seconds and selecting power options. Then choose turn off. Wait a few moments before turning it back on. This can help clear temporary glitches. Step 2. Update system software. Go to System Settings from the home menu. Scroll down to System, then select System Update. Ensure your console is running the latest software version, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Step 3. Check for game updates. Highlight the game that is crashing, press the plus or button, and select Software Update. Choose via the internet to ensure you have the latest version of the game, which may resolve compatibility issues. Step 4. Free up storage space. Go to System Settings, then Data Management. Check your available storage and delete any unnecessary games or data. A lack of storage can lead to performance issues and crashes. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If the problem persists, consider resetting your console. Go to System Settings, scroll down to System, and select Formatting Options. Choose Initialize Console to reset it to factory settings. Make sure to back up your data beforehand. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your Nintendo Switch and reduce crashing issues. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.